Hi guys, this is Jennifer. Welcome back to Jennifer's Diary. So for today's episode or for today's vlog, for today's video, whatsoever, for today, I'm just gonna share with you guys yung experience ko today, kanina, before shift actually. As you can see, kagagaling ko lang work, I just got home and decided to record a video to share something with you guys. So, yun na nga, regularly, ang shift ko is 5 to 2. And then, kanina, I didn't know na parang namali yung ano ko, yung parang yung body clock ko. Kasi for 2 weeks, we're working from home. So parang sa loob ng 2 weeks na yun, nasanay yung katawan ko na bahay lang ako. And so kanina, I set my alarm for, so gumising ako early pa, 4 pa, mga 3:59. So gising na ako. And then nung gumising ako, confident ako, sabi ko, ang early ko naman. I'm so proud of myself. Sabi ko sa sarili ko. And then, pagkagising ko, marami pa akong time. Malamig kasi kanina maligo. So, naghingi pa ako ng tubig and all. And then, after that, sabi ko sa sarili ko, kakapira ng sarili ko, ang aga ko today. Super aga. So, after nun, I really had enough time to do my makeup, to get up, to prepare. So yun na, prepare. Habang nag-prepare ako, tinignan ko yung oras sa phone ko. Nakita ko, it's almost 5, sabi ko. And then, parang tinatapos ko na lang yung ano ko, tinatapos ko na yung pag-prepare ko. And then, may nag-chat. So, nung narinig ko yung messenger ko na nag-notif, tinignan ko agad kasi ang nasa isip ko is baka may bigla ang announcement na baka work from home. And so yun, tinignan ko. Chinat ako ng isa kong katrabaho, sabi niya, Jen, work from home ka or on-site? Sabi ko with confidence, sabi ko, I got on-site ako te. Sabi niya, hala ka. Ano ka na, late ka na. Sabi ko, ha? Pag ganun talaga ako, ha? Tapos nabasa ko yung chat niya, sabi niya, hindi ka kasi online, so sa Teams yun. Para messenger siya na parang sa work lang rin. Sabi niya, hindi ka kasi online, kaya chinat kita. Kaya tinan niyo ako kung on-site ba ako or work from home. So yun, napataka ko, sabi ko sa sarili ko, ang shift ko is 5 to 2. Tinignan ko yung oras, sabi ko 5 na. Sabi ko, hala, mali ako ng alarm. Mali ako. Tapos parang doon na nag-sink in sa akin na parang, shucks, mali ako ng gising. Supposedly, dapat pala, ang gising ko is 3. Kung mag-o-onsite ako, 4:30 lagi ang alarm ko if bahay ako. So, ang nasa isip ko kagabi, okay, onsite ako, kailangan agahan. So, isiset ko, instead of 4:30, isiset ko yung alarm ko ng 4. Which is the biggest mistake talaga. Kasi, pagka ganun, 3 dapat ang gising. Kasi, ang 4 o'clock onwards, yun yung time allotment ko para magbiyahe. Pero, ayun. So, para hindi ako mapakali na parang, hala, ano to? Late ako, mali ako ng gising. Pero, parang, kinalmahan ko na lang siya na very late. Kumalma ako, sabi ko, ano ngayon kung na-late na ako? Anong gagawin ko? Meron pa akong nararamdaman sa sarili ko na, wag na pumasok. Sabi, or mag-request na lang ulit ng work. Sabi ko, wag na, babawiin ko ulit naman yun eh. So, sabi ko sa isip ko, okay lang yun. Sabi ko, from being upset to, kalma, sabi ko, okay lang yun. Nayaan ko na lang yung kumalit ako. Sabi ko sa sarili ko, mag-book na lang ako ng Joyride, hindi ako masyadong malate. Sabi ko sa sarili ko, and then, yun, after na figure out ko na, wala na, late na talaga ako. Kumalma na lang ako. Sabi ko, okay, I'll take it. I'll accept it. Okay, I'm late. And then, life must go on. I should go to work. And then, things must be done, work must be done as well. So yun, pumasok ako, nag-book ako, and then yun, nag nagangkas ako, it took me 30 minutes ata or um, almost almost 30 minutes kasi nakapunta ako dun, naka-login ako dun is mga 5:40. Pero the moral of the story is that, ano, um, I'm learning na talaga. In so many ways, I'm already learning that amidst of some things, bad things that are happening to your life, you could, actually you can relax and you can manage your emotions. Kasi if if the person experiencing the same thing was the old version of me, I don't think that I would react the same. I used to be the person na madaling ma-upset when things didn't go right, when the plans didn't go as planned. I used to be upset, and when I'm upset, it really affects my mood and how I look at the things around me. So, madali akong mainis and bad trip ako, and iti-treat ko yun na parang the whole day is parang bad day na talaga. So, I'm learning and I'm proud of myself to say na nandun na ako sa part na instead of looking into the negative situation, I look at the brighter side of the story. Sabi ko, okay lang. Ina-accept ko siya and ina-acknowledge ko siya na parang mali ako, and then mayroong pagkukulang sa end ko, and then life must go on. Things must continue. And ganun talaga, may mga pangyayari talagang hindi natin control. So yun, sabi ko sa sarili ko, I'm just proud. I'm just proud of myself how I reacted and how I handled the situation. Kasi instead na parang mataranta and mag-worry and ma-conscious, I just treat it as, I just take it as something na unexpected na pangyayari sa buhay ko, and kailangan ko lang kumalma. And may mga bagay kasi talaga na we're out of control, and if things are out of control, hindi na natin sila, waste of time na ipoproblemahin pa natin yun, di ba? So yun lang, yung moral of the story is learning to look at the brighter side whenever you are in a bad situation. Yun lang guys, I hope this experience na parang you could learn something from this story. Pero sana wag na maulit, no? Sana wag na. Hanggang sa muli, guys. Thank you so much for taking your time. And by the way, guys, I would like to thank for all the people who stopped by my previous video. And alam mo, I'm so happy. Kasi before, I uploaded my video and nakita ko na it gained 10 views. And 10 views for me means a lot. It means so much, and I appreciate all of those people who stop by and watch my video. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. And for those na kakikita lang ng video ko and this one, I hope you guys support me. I hope you guys help me in this journey, and I hope guys for your support. I'm hoping for your support. Everything from you is appreciated. Thank you so much. If you guys support me, please do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Hanggang sa muli dito sa Jennifer's Diary. Bye-bye.